Hey guys, welcome back to our study of differentiation, our beginning study. And we're going to look for the derivative of this function. And based on what we learned before, we learned that f prime of x is the same as looking for our tangent. So the way that we found that earlier, I got messy for a second. The way that we found that in our previous study was, well, let's use red so we don't confuse too many viewers here. Our it's going to be black. M of t was the limit of the secant. This is delta x of, you got to know this by now, right? Of f of x plus delta x minus f of x over, you said it, that's right, delta x. So now that we know this, we understand that this is just the simple procedure that we're going to follow. I didn't write 0 here, to find the derivative of this. So let's move on. F prime of x, this function in particular, is going to be f of x plus delta x. So 2 x plus delta x squared, right? Plus x plus delta x minus 1. And over here, it helps to write it in parentheses if you want. Sometimes people will get not plus, 2x squared plus x minus 1. It's just a function, right? It's just f of x. And I'm going to try and be careful with this line over delta x. So over here, we just have to expand the terms a little bit, which is 2x squared plus 2. This is 4x delta x, and plus 2 delta x squared plus x plus delta x minus 1 minus, these have to be changed to minuses, plus, excuse me for that, minus 2x squared and minus x plus 1. So we can begin to see some pattern here. We can cancel 2x minus 2x. Is there anything else? The x minus 1 plus 1. And all the terms have delta x left. This is all over delta x. So keep moving on. Let's say this is, what's left here is 4x delta x plus 2 delta x squared plus delta x all over delta x. Now, this should be the limit, or we have to write the limit as delta x goes to 0. And the way we do that here is, well, we have to remember there are terms you can cancel here. This is a common factor, and there's 1. So 4x plus 2 delta x is all that's left, plus 1. And the limit as x goes to 0 of this is, somebody please help. Oh, I know. It is 4x plus 1. And this is correct. I'm gonna be able to teach you something that you can check for yourself. But 4x plus 1 is indeed the derivative of this function. And we have shown it by using the definition.